KingClima provides professional cooling solutions for all on-road and off-road vehicles. This video we show our air conditioning systems for farm machinery using. There are 5 air conditioning models according to the different installation methods. The first model is KA3500 RT Rooftop Air Conditioning for Agricultural Machinery. KA3500 RT air conditioning system is rooftop installation type with 3500 W cooling capacity, and there are DC12V and DC24 for choosing. The second model is KA3500 FI air conditioning. This model condenser is installed in the front of the vehicle. Our condenser has larger pores than normal ones, no blocking, and prolong the service life of air conditioning. This evaporator is inserted into the ceiling of the vehicle.
Okay, the evaporator is under the roof. And here, this is the control panel. This is for the fan speed, and this is for the cooling capacity. And here is I outlet. Okay. And here, this is for the I inlet.
The third one is KA4800BI air conditioning. This model condenser is installed back of the vehicle, and it has larger cooling capacity as 4800 W. The fourth one is KA4000 SE air conditioning. This model is ceiling mounted type with 4000 W cooling capacity, and the evaporator air volume is about 800 cubic meters per hour. The last type is KA4500 SU air conditioning.
The evaporator is under the seats. Okay, you can see here, under the seats. The control panel is here. We use the same control panel. And the outlet from the side and the left and the right. You can see. So it's a wonderful product.
We try our best to make sure every customer and partner will have a pleasant working environment, whatever the weather. We can not only custom-made solutions for farm machinery manufacturers, but also treat every end user seriously. If you are interested with agricultural machinery air conditioning, please feel free to contact us.